Welcome, friends. Today is Saturday, December 16, 2023, and we're here in the Walt Disney World Grand Floridian Resort. We're here to check out all the holiday decorations and see what they have to offer. Let's go and explore, shall we? The Gingerbread House debuted in 1999, making it 24 years at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort. This gingerbread house is adorned with white chocolate, candy canes, edible snowflakes, sugar poinsettias, and 25 hidden Mickeys. Can you spot them all? Check out the Gingerbread House menu. Check out the ingredients to this gingerbread house.
No.
That's a little too small. Yeah, the other one's, that brown's fine.
Would you like a receipt? Happy holidays, guys.
Thank you.
Purchased my Mickey Ears gingerbread cookie. Well, friends, this concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I enjoyed filming it for you. With that said, have a happy holidays and have a magical day.